Good morning.
Hello.
Happy Thursday for once. It wasn't me. It was slow with the. And I'm logged in on the right Instagram. I mean, we're winning.
Go. And I was here a couple minutes earlier than normal.
So our out of hand family grew by one this week. Allison has a new grandbaby. We're so excited.
Congratulations.
Congratulations to her daughter and her son-in-law.
The whole family.
Oh,
we have a new grandma in the house.
Yeah, super exciting. And I don't know. It's been the usual. Just the usual around here.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. I don't know. I don't know what to talk about today. I'm
tired.
running on E today.
Yes.
I'll be honest.
Ditto.
Mm-hmm.
Fumes. Mm-hmm. Nothing but fumes over here. Yeah.
I mean, we got a lot to talk about.
Yeah.
Sorry,
I was going to ask, have you ever had your luggage lost?
Yes.
Like, domestic or international?
On a direct flight from Denver to Edmonton.
Yeah. I've had it twice. I've had my luggage lost. It's been returned to me both times, so, like, not, like, lost.
Yeah.
But, like...
Well, when you were on a direct flight, it's really hard to understand. It's hard to understand.
Like,
And she had to pay a lot of money to check that bag.
Yes.
So I feel like she should get refunded.
Like,
if you lose the bag, I feel like you should get refunded for paying for the bag.
Like, how does, like, paying for the service, like, not guaranteed type of service? I don't know. I don't get it. And I feel like airlines, like, they were so, like, carry-on heavy. And then, of course, everybody was like, okay. And so they started all bringing carry-ons because, like, the last year or so, it's been like, if you have a carry-on baggage that you would like to check, like, like, it is like, okay, because you guys kind of... And now, it's like, nobody's allowed carry-on. The carry-on bins are empty. Everybody's luggage is now checked. And now I'm just like,
yeah.
Anyways.
My sister had a check bag get lost. Never got it back.
I'll stop complaining about my returned luggage.
It disappeared into the abyss.
Like, where does it
go?
How
and
does
same with
happen?
Parcels get lost. Where do
they go? Up? Like, because surely a lost parcel, like, it still has the information on it. So, like, even if it like fell off a belt, like, do they just go?
I mean, I've never worked those jobs, so I really don't understand.
I'm sure it's a whole labyrinth of reasons.
Yeah. We're sorry if we've offended you. Okay, we got a lot of stuff today.
We have lots, and I walked in and I'm back, baby. So I'm excited.
We're gonna start out with this because it's probably my favorite. So our books aren't here yet. They have shipped. They have shipped, but they're coming on a boat because we're getting a lot. So they won't be here for a little bit. But our wonderful friends, the Kingwells, sent us this copy that we could share.
And so excited.
It is the most beautiful book.
If
you got Quilt Recipes, the OG, it's just as beautiful as that. And Leslie has already gone through and stickied
my favorites.
Her favorites.
Like, come on. Like, even everything about it. I love everything about that.
Uh-huh. I should have stickied the recipes. This iced Vovo. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's right up my alley with that pink palette.
So cute.
But I just, like, congratulations to Jen on such a beautiful book.
Oh, it's so stunning.
It's printed and bound in Australia, which is somewhat of a rarity recently, but it's even, like, it has that new book smell. And then the recipes in there.
Oh my gosh. Just so stunning.
Mm-hmm.
Like,
and, savory things too.
Yes.
Like mini cheese muffins.
So exciting.
Mm-hmm. Ooh. So, we have it up for pre-order, and then all the supporting, like, acrylics and mylars, and there's one pattern with papers. We have all that up for pre-order, and then it all should be here in October.
Yay!
Oh, Oh, I have a couple housekeeping. I did not write that on my list. Next Tuesday, we're closed for Truth and Reconciliation Day. So don't come on Tuesday because we won't be here. And then Thursday, we won't be going live on Thursday because I could have broken this up. We could have recorded one, but I didn't think that far ahead because I just kind of remembered next Thursday, we're headed to Houston. So, no live next week. Maybe.
Which is crazy.
And we can't even, what time do we leave? Can't even do it. We'll be in the air. Because I put us on the early flight. Not thinking
so
that
exciting.
through.
And where are we going, Jamie?
Houston, I just said.
But for what?
Oh. Quilt market.
Like it's just implied.
Well, I don't know. I always refer to it as I don't know. Okay.
We're going to Quilt Market. So, pretty exciting. I am going to have my peepers on all things Christmas. So,
Yes.
So
We're thinking Christmas presents.
yes. So, if you guys have things that you're like really hoping for,
Yes.
maybe just slip into our DMs.
Lori says, love that quilt behind you. Yes, it is in fact, Lori, on our list of things to talk about today. So we'll just talk about it right now. The quilt behind us is Pieces of My Heart.
Oh.
The pattern is by Wendy Williams. This sample is made by Kim M. Kim 2. And she does such a beautiful job. She is, oh, look at that label.
Look at the label.
Wow. I am impressed
Oh,
by the label.
Kim, that's
Anyway, that's so
the
great.
first quilt I made and taught out of hand quilting and fabrics.
Oh, that's so great.
We need a course on how to label from like she's gonna
Maybe
be
Tip
Tip Tuesday.
I am terrible at labeling, but
so personalized.
So Pieces of My Heart, she's teaching this. It's already started, so I'm sorry you can't join in. And of course we ran out of the pattern, but we have more patterns coming, and they come from Australia too, so it's not quick. And so we have those up for pre-order, and we also have Marilyn. She's gonna have
Get into the Butterfingers.
Starter packs. So the one behind us, Kim made with her stash. So obviously, it's not going to be the same.
Not identical.
But Marilyn put together a starter pack of reds and low volumes, and then there's like a little over 2.5 meters of fabric in here.
So,
And
same
then
flavor.
the idea is that you can build from your stash to make the heart. And then some of the people in the class, like one gal is making a purple one. I'm just going a whole different direction.
I can't wait to see it.
And then also in the starter pack is all the wool that you need for the hearts and the stems, because we know people don't usually have that in your stash. So all the wool, and then like 2.5 meters of fabric to start on your heart. And then if you want the pattern, you can buy that at the same time. It's just pre-order, so then we'll ship it all together when the patterns get here in a little bit.
It is just so beautiful.
Oh, Lori says a course on labels will be fine.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
I feel like Kim too. It's probably like a labeling genius after that.
I know. I'm like flabbergasted by how good that label is. I even had ones made a long time ago. I had woven labels, custom made, that say by the heart and hand, and then my signature.
Oh.
You think I can get those on my quilts? Sure don't. Because by the time I have it bound, I'm like, oh, right. I was supposed to put a label in there. I guess I could applicate on, but that's not happening. Anyway, okay. So that's that. Then new fabric.
Wow.
Glaze III from Libs Elliott.
So we had them back there in the boxes and like hadn't opened them up yet, the Glaze 3 when it arrived, and I hadn't seen like any previews or anything for it, and so it is a surprise to me like what the palette was for it, and it's so unexpected and beautiful.
Yes. So I named these. We'll see if they pass the test, because we split it up because it's kind of a big.
Okay, what have we got here?
This is Rocky Shores.
Oh, okay. I was expecting like blue-ish.
And this is lakefront.
I am so proud of you.
Thanks.
Look at you stepping outside of your comfort zone.
So the kind of more, like the warmer blues and then the taupes and the browns in one bundle. And then the cooler blues and the grays and grages in the other. But together it's lovely. And the pattern support for this, I forgot to print it off this morning. The free pattern from Andover for this is like, it is stunning. It's so beautiful.
Wow, these are so great. Just even like on their own, like those colors like on their own. And I've been like really wanting some more browns in the shop. So like that little guy right there. Oh, lovely.
So that is Glaze III from Libs Elliott. Then new from Liberty Quilting Cotton is Floral Nostalgia. And it's kind of two colorways. So there's this one that we have named Message in a Bottle. And then Love Letter, I think.
Love Letter. And
it's, of course, we love our Liberty and we love the quilting cotton.
There's just something about the Lansby cotton. I don't, like, it's so, I want to describe it as, like, firm, but I know that doesn't sound appealing. But, like,
right.
It has, like,
I would say that the fibers, I guess, are a little like heavier than a lot, but it's not a bad thing.
No, it's just like it's so, I don't know.
It's very unique.
Yes, and like when you're just like, oh, that's like lovely, you know, like it just feels
made in Italy. They're so beautiful. Like this little, did you show any of these?
Like as a fan out, but you go ahead.
Like this little floral. Oh
I really love this. I think that's so pretty. Cute.
Yeah. So basically, kind of the same prints, but one in each.
And also beautiful together if you want a full spectrum. So nice. I'm liking these smaller bundles.
Yes.
I'm a fan.
Yeah. Okay, then a new little pattern from our friends at Zakka Workshop is the Hexagon, I guess, Clasp Purse. And then I forgot to grab Sue Spargo's Hexi zip pouch is also back in stock. And how cute is that? Like you just EPP up a little, or I suppose you could machine it, or hand piece like you did with the Hexi zip pouch.
You could.
And make a little clasp purse. And paper pieces restock should be delivered tomorrow. This takes a 3/4 inch Hexi, which we have. The Sue one takes 1 inch, which we don't have.
Oh, but the Sue one is for hand piecing.
Oh yes, you can hand piece it too. Yes.
I mean, you could EPP it, obviously, but it does, like, the pattern calls for, like, the Jen Kingwell
the 1 inch
postcard. Anyways.
Yes.
They're so fun.
But paper pieces restock coming. Tracking says tomorrow. Next, I'm sure everybody's seen on Instagram and the Facebook, Tula Pink's next collection.
You know what? I haven't yet.
Really?
Somehow. So I'm excited to learn.
Floral Reef. So under kind of like her Zuma from several years ago, but different. Obviously, it's not the same.
I didn't
underwater.
I wasn't like into the fabric world when Zuma came out, so I'm excited.
And then this is the like the Free Spirit kit that is coming with it that we'll be getting.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
So there's a stripe. If we could turn that back, sorry.
No.
You can look at it later. This stripe is kind of hard to see, but it's a 2-inch, like the color. It's like a rainbow stripe, as per kind of like her tent stripe, but it's thicker. The stripes are 2 inches.
Okay.
And so the kit is bound with that.
Oh, clever.
I just think it's the coolest. Like, it's a very cool stripe. I like it a lot. Wide backs. that kit, and then yardage and pre-cuts, all up for
Oh, I can't wait
pre-order.
to go look at the pictures of these like closer.
There's also one, this one with the teeny tiny fish and dots. I love that one.
Cute.
I should have printed off. Anyways, I don't know what to print off. But anyway, so that's up. Floral Reef is up for pre-order. Okay, and then last on our list, Kim made a compass bag out of some leftover scraps a while ago, and it's been up. And anyway, then she decided we should kit. She's been seeing like a monochromatic bag online, and she decided we should kit some of those. So everything in the compass bag in these kits is all the same. The pockets, the strap, everything. So it's just 2 fabrics. And I love the way this turned out.
It's lovely.
This is the large size. Do you want to scamper around and get the little one, please? So the compass bag from Noodlehead. And
Yeah, that pattern comes with 2 sizes. So that's the
this is the little size.
the little one.
And Kim made out of the scraps from a quilt. She made this
Using Tula Pink.
Yeah.
And then some of the oil skin from Merchant and Mills.
And it's so cute. And it has a little zip pocket, only one zipper, but a little zip pocket in the inside, and then the magnetic clasp up here.
It's a very fun pattern and very good for like a beginner bag maker.
So the kits come with the exterior, the interior, and then all the hardware you need, but the pattern and the interfacings are separate. So anyway, we'll just go through they're not packaged up yet, but we'll just go through them. So this one there's only one of. The little blush and the rose gold hardware.
Oh, I love this.
There's only one of this one too. This one is called Espresso. I had to name these late last night. They just got blush, espresso, mustard. There's only one of the espresso. I love that one.
It's really, really
that one so
stunning.
much.
Whoever is gonna grab that guy
This
is the
is
lucky person.
slate.
Would love that.
Charcoal with the silver.
Ooh, this is
And
fun.
Royal.
That's
Yeah.
amazing. Wow, little flavor for everybody.
Yeah, so just little monochromatic and fun little make. I mean, Kim took the stuff home to make that sample, and I feel like the next morning she was texting me with a picture. I was like, already?
Yeah, it's so cute.
So it comes with, and there's like little Chicago screws. So Kim did it in the style where there isn't the flap here. And there's just the Chicago screws. Fun little fact.
That's so cute.
So when I first used magnets to help with bag making, I was making a compass bag.
Were you really?
Yeah. And I was trying to attach this flap on the side of the bag because I couldn't pin it, and couldn't use clips because it's so far down the body of the bag. So that's when I first used what are now Sew Tights. And I told, because it was when my sister and I had a different business, and it was a subscription box, and it was a bag box, blah, blah, blah. I was making a sample, blah, blah. And I told her that I had used magnets, like, oh, look what I did. And
You're like, I'm so clever.
And now here we are.
And then Sew Tights was born.
And then Sew Tights was born. And the other business went away because it was way too much work.
And
didn't.
Does Noodlehead know that? Does Anagram know that?
I don't think so. I
That's
don't
so
know if I've ever
fun.
met her.
That's so cool.
Yeah, that's how Sew Tights were born. Making a compass bag.
I had no idea. I knew that you were making a bag. I didn't know which one.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that.
Yep. All right. That's it for today. Yeah, we'll see you back in 2 weeks since we'll be away. We're headed to Houston to market on Thursday. and we're closed Tuesday. So have a great week, and we'll see you next time. Bye.